To send money from Payoneer to Western Union, start by accessing the Payoneer homepage through your web browser. Log into your account, as this is necessary to proceed. Once logged in, you'll see various options, including Home, Get Paid, Account Activity, Bank Accounts, and Business Network, as well as FAQ, Notification, and your account information. It's worth noting that Payoneer does not directly partner with Western Union, but you can still use your Payoneer card or ATM to transfer money between the two services. To do this, navigate to the Pay section and fill out the required information for your Western Union bank account to initiate the transfer. Alternatively, you may need to use your Payoneer card to complete the transaction. By following these steps, you can transfer funds to your Western Union account. If you find this information helpful, consider sharing it with others who may benefit from this process.